Best home remedies for frostbite. Frostbite is a problem in which the skin and the human body is shown to very cold temperatures. The highly cold temperature creates the skin numbing and hard. Mainly, the revealed body areas are impacted by frostbite, like fingers, toes, and feet. Frostbite grows unexpected to responses of the body to scare other organs from serious coldness. It outcomes in harmful of both skin and bloodstream, and therefore must be cured earlier. Frostbite happens when the skin and actual tissue freeze. The most popular cause of frostbite is direct exposure to cold weather circumstances. But it can also be caused by direct get in touch with the ice, freezing metal, or very cold liquids. First, mullein flowers. Mullein flowers are recognized to be very powerful in the remedy of frostbite. Make a mixture of mullein flowers in a small quantity of olive oil and can be used over the frostbitten location of skin. This is identified to be beneficial in curing the disorder. Implementing a layer of warmed olive oil over the attacked places of skin is also valuable in healing the disease. Second, aloe vera. Aloe vera is very effective in treatment for frostbite as very well as other skin disorders. A tiny quantity of fresh extracted aloe vera gel can be used around the frostbitten part of the skin. This is one of the generally used home remedies in the case of frostbite. Third, chamomile tea. Chamomile tea are shown to be very helpful in healing the problems of frostbite. Chamomile tea is one of the most outstanding herbal teas used in the procedure of frostbite. Getting a glass of temperature couple of tea once in a day is also viewed as to be beneficial in solving the illness. Peppermint tea is also regarded as an imperative herbal tonic in case of this ailment. Fourth, cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is one of the substantial home remedy in case of frostbite. Taking cayenne pepper is discovered to be helpful in solving frostbite and various other diseases like constipation, stomachache, etc. This is discovered to be efficient in growing blood circulation as well as decreasing the ache produced to function. Fifth, sage. Sage is very helpful in healing the difficulties of frostbite. A decoction can be well prepared by steaming a teaspoon of sage in a glass of water. Getting this decoction is very valuable in healing frostbite. Having a glass of sage tea can also be regarded beneficial in the remedy of frostbite. Sixth, banana peel. Banana peel is proven to be really crucial in treatment method of frostbite. Masking the impacted location of skin using fresh banana peel is discovered to be beneficial in decreasing the swelling. This is one of the simplest home remedies in the situation of frostbite. Seventh, horsetail. Horsetail getting rich in silica is shown to be ideal in rebuilding the tissues of skin. Horsetail can present collagen, which is discovered to be very helpful in the regrowth of cell. This is one of the useful herbal remedies in the case of frostbite. 8. Onion. Onion is effective poultice can be ready by using. It can be used over the impacted area of the skin. For the best outcomes of the treatment, you can use a cold poultice of crushed onion. This is proven to be an essential solution for the problem of frostbite.
Thanks for watching.